Hey guys, so quick video where you're gonna insert your BenQ monitor headphones. So when you're gonna have it and you have it, you're gonna have this like green audio jack. I don't know if you see that. So it's going to be right here somewhere. For example, I'm going to show you this one. Not a lot of them got it. So yeah, for example, this one is like a red one. Look at it. So here it's like black, not red. Black, and here it's green. So there is going to be like a symbol of headphones, and you're just gonna insert the audio jack right there. But either of that, just connect it to your motherboard on your PC and that should work too. But if you, let's say you want to have it on Xbox and you want to connect it, you just can connect it directly to this monitor on this audio jack, and this is how you're gonna connect the headphones in. So just want to make this like quick and effective video for you, how it's done and what you need to do. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.